delicious sandwich. That's what I'm going to show you today. It's a mushroom sandwich. My first step to making this sandwich is that I'm going to grill a nice bun. I want it to get a little bit toasty. And while that's happening, I will be chopping up a few vegetables. I'm using fresh peppers and fresh onion. I'm chopping them very fine. The bun is toasted, and I'm taking a clove of garlic and I'm just rubbing it over the bread to give it a garlicky taste. Put the amount of mushrooms on a hot griddle that you want to put on your sandwich. Season them as you like. I'm going to add a little salt and a little bit of pepper. Press the mushrooms down a little bit. Check them to see if they're ready to be turned. They're about ready to be turned. Okay, pull your mushrooms together a little bit. That would be about the size of your roll. And then I melt some vegan cheese on it. I don't know if you recall, I don't go through much vegan cheese, so I freeze it and separate it by pieces of parchment paper. So I'm putting that on. Then I'm putting a lid to help that cheese melt. I'm turning the heat very low so the mushrooms continue to cook on that side, and then I'm putting my bun just on top to keep it warm. It's time to assemble the sandwich. Scoop up the mushrooms and put them on your bun. Next, top with just a few fresh onions. Of course, you could leave the fresh vegetables off if you want. There's a few little peppers. Here's a beautiful lunch. It's our mushroom sandwich, some homemade dill pickles, and homemade tomato soup. Now this is one of those messy sandwiches. This is such a delicious sandwich, and it was ready in under 5 or 10 minutes. Come on and see us next week. Have a great day today.